That's not good. How do you get that? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's dip this in there. Whoa!
No!
Damn it!
No, there it goes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Oh.
What the hell? Alright guys, out in a while trying to find sticks to throw in the old water fountain, so see if we can find them. Sorry, that's a waterfall. So we're looking for a stick, okay. Nothing so far. Oh my god, one! Okay, let's go, let's get this one. Oh my god, Jesus Christ! It's, oh god.
That's a big stick!
Okay, let's see if we can stick this stick in.
Don't think that's deep enough.
I think it's working. It's definitely worked, yeah.
Let's go in.
It's definitely worked. I think it stood there, yeah.
Yeah, alright.
That was a good try, yeah.
Well, we have our stick.
Well, we have the stick here, so yeah, let's just bring this there. Okay, yeah, this is definitely not like the last one, but you know, it's good, it's good. It's good enough. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can actually throw it far enough so it goes off. Come on, go off, yeah. Yeah, come on, pick up the current. Oh my god, this waterfall is weak.
It really is. Oh, it's gonna get stuck. We threw it too far.
No.
Go!
Oh, yes! Woo! Let's go! We got it!
Fuck! That's my phone.
That's not good. How do you get that?
No, that's too deep. I can't get it.
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna fix this.
Oh, no.
Pull up in the gold, I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go bombing.